this video, I'm going to solve the problems on Bayes theorem, especially some problems on machine type of problems, in production of machine type of problems. Okay, now 2 to 3 examples I'm going to solve in this. Please go to my description which problems I am going to solve here. Okay, first problem is 3 machines A, B and C produces respectively 60%, 30%, 10% of the total number of items in a factory. The percentage of defective out of these machines are respectively 2%, 3% and 4%. An item is selected at random is found defective. Find the probability that the item was produced by machine C. Here, let me consider, let A, B, C be the events of production of items from machines A, B, C respectively. These are events, these are machines. Therefore, probability of production by machine A, they are given. How is it given here? 60%. 60% is nothing but 60 divided by 100, that is 0 cancels, 0.6 I can write. Like that, probability of B they are given, production of B is 30%. 30 divided by 100, that is 0.3. And probability of C they are given as 10%, that is 0.1%. Okay, these are the productions of machine A, machine B and machine C. According to the this one I will show you how it is, that one Bayes theorem. Here machine A is producing 100%, that is sample space. Out of that 60% is produced by machine A, and then 30%, 0.6, 0.3, 0.1 B, and it is a C. Okay, by machines A, B, C. Then what happened here? A percentage of defective. Okay, let D be the event. D be the event. Selection of defective. Okay, another event, all machines are producing some defective items here. Okay, how many defective items has been produced? This is my D total, this is D. Okay, and how many machines is producing? Here percentage of defectives out of these machines are producing 2%, means already this is a probability of conditional probability here. Probability of already machine A has produced. Out of that machine A produced, what is the percentage of defective? That is a 2% they are given, which is equal to 2 divided by 100, 0.02 is the defective item from machine A. Already machine A has produced production from that defective. Like that, probability of defective from B, already B has production is done, then defective. Okay, that is 3%, 3 divided by 100, which comes out to be 0.03, and probability of defective from C is 4%, that is 4 divided by 100, 0.04. Now what I have to find out? This is 2%, 3% and 4% here. This is now defective already, production has happened, then defective you are finding. But what is the question they have asked? If the selection randomly, it is found to be defective. Find the probability that item produced by machine C, that defective item produced by machine C. Here, reverse I have to find out. Okay, to find the probability, of selection of selected item produced by C is defective. Okay, that is probability of already defective item was selected, it is produced by C, reverse. Correct? This one I have to find out. To find out this, Bayes theorem is defined for this is probability of C into probability of D relative to C divided by sum of all the probabilities like this. Okay, that is, I will write directly here, probability of A into probability of D relative to A plus only 3 sets are here, probability of B into probability of D relative to B plus probability of C into probability of D relative to C. Okay, substitute the values and simplify, we will get the required answer. Probability of C is 0.1 into probability of D relative to C is 0.04 divided by probability of A is 0.6 into probability of D relative to A is 0.02 plus 0.3 into 0.03 plus 0.1 into 0.04. Use the calculator and simplify this. It comes out to be 0.16. Therefore, probability of selected item defective from machine C is 16%. Okay, 16% is the, okay, like this. Machine problem I'm going to solve here. 3 machines A, B, C produces 50%, 30% and 20% of the items in a factory. The percentage of defective outputs are 3, 4 and 5. If an item is selected at random, what is the probability that it is a defective? What is the probability that it is from A? Same as the previous example, little bit only numbers has been changed here. Therefore, given probability of A is equal to 50%, that is 0.5. Probability of B is equal to 30%, 0.3. Next, probability of C equal to 20%, 0.2. Then let D be the selected defective item, selected as defective item. Therefore, what are these 3, 4 and 5? The percentage, remember this, the percentage of defective outputs. Therefore, probability of machine A has produced from that defective is 3%, 0.03, or 3 divided by 100 you can write, that you can write. Then probability of defective from machine B is 4%, that is 0.04. Probability of defective from C 5%, 0.05%. Okay, this much they are given. Then what they were asked here, what is the probability that it is a defective? Okay, that means probability of defective I have to find out. First one, probability of total defective, that is the probability of D I have to find out. Okay, here probability of D is equal to denominator of the Bayes theorem, that is probability of A into probability of D relative to A plus probability of B into probability of D relative to B plus probability of C into probability of C D relative to C. All these things we have to find out. Probability of A is 0.5 into 0.03, 0.3 into 0.04, 0.2 into 0.05. Evaluate this, we are going to get it as 0.037. Therefore, probability of total defective is 0.037. Like that, second part I have to calculate the defective item selected is from machine A. Defective item selected is from machine A. That is probability of already defective has been selected. It is from machine A. A relative to D I have to find out. Okay, using Bayes theorem here. It is given by probability of A into probability of D relative to A divided by probability of A into probability of D relative to A plus probability of B into probability of D relative to B plus probability of C into probability of D relative to C. Such examples one definitely will be asked in the examination. Okay, please prepare them very well. Very simple problems. Let me substitute here. Probability of A is 0.5 and probability of D relative to A is 0.03 divided by, and this one already we calculated here, D 0.037. If you simplify this, I am going to get the required answer as 0.04054. 0.4054, and you can check here, each of the probabilities are not exceeding 1. They are less than 1 only, then only your answers are correct. Okay, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button so that you'll get the more updates what I'm going to solve in. Another example on this machine problem I'm going to solve here. Let me read the problem. If in a bolt factory there are 4 machines A, B, C, D manufacturing respectively 20%, 15%, 25% and 40% of the total production. Out of these, 5%, 4%, 3% and 2% are the defectives. If a bolt drawn at random was found defective, what is the probability that it was manufactured by machine A or machine D? Okay, little bit addition rule also you have to use here. Okay, first of all, given probability of A is equal to 20%, that is a 0.2, probability of B 15%, that is a 0.15, probability of C 25%, that is a 0.25, and probability of D 40% equal to 0.4. If you add them, total equal to 1. And let E be the event, E be the event of drawing a defective item, event of drawing defective item, because the D is already one more machine is there, that's why I am selecting E. Therefore one more thing they are given, 5%, 4%, they are total production. Out of these 5% are defectives of machine A. Therefore probability of E relative to A, already machine A has produced, therefore E they are given as 5%, that comes out to be 0.05. Probability of E relative to B, that comes out to be 4%, 0.04. Probability of E relative to C, that it comes out to be 3%, 0.03. Probability of E relative to D, that comes is given 2%, 0.02. Okay, for my further calculation, okay, for my further calculation, let me calculate the total probability of E, total probability of defective, that is probability of E is total, that is given by probability of A into probability of E relative to A plus probability of B into probability of E relative to B plus probability of C into probability of E relative to C plus probability of D into probability of E relative to D. Let me substitute 0.2 into 0.05 plus 0.15 into probability of into 0.04, next 0.25 into 0.03, 0.4 into 0.02. Simplifying this using the calculator, I am going to get it as 0.0315. This is the total probability of E. Not necessary, but directly for my further. Okay. Now, what I have to find out here is the production. What is the probability that manufactured by A or D? Okay, first I will calculate probability of defective, correct? Already defective has found, it is from machine A. I will calculate using the Bayes theorem. By Bayes theorem, what happens? Probability of A into probability of D relative to A divided by summation of probability of A into probability of D relative to A. Summation means this is the total summation what I want, okay, which is equal to, this is point probability of A 0.2 into 0.05 divided by 0.0315. It comes out to be 0.3175, 0.3175, like that. Probability of, sorry, this is E, okay, defective from machine D is equal to probability of D into probability of E relative to it is, sorry, E relative to D here divided by summation probability of D, sorry, A into probability of E relative to A, sum of all this total probability. Probability of D is 0.25 and D relative to E relative to D is 0.02 divided by total probability is 0.31035. Calculate this one. I am going to get it as 0.254. Okay, therefore the defective item selected was, therefore the defective item manufactured by A or D is given by probability of A relative to E, or they mentioned therefore plus, and if it is product you have to use product, that is D relative to E, which is equal to 0.3175 plus 0.254. Okay, addition of these two together will come 5715. 0.57. This is the required answer. Okay, please subscribe my channel and give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends.